Hi everyone! This week on Friction Friday, we're featuring the 2022 through 2026 Audi S3. Blending turbocharged performance with quattro all-wheel drive, the Audi S3 delivers quick acceleration, sharp handling, and confident control in a compact performance sedan. With that level of responsiveness, braking precision is essential to keep the driving experience balanced and predictable. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing strong initial bite, consistent pedal feel, and quiet operation during both spirited driving and daily use. Designed to manage heat and maintain stability, these components help reduce fade while preserving the refined feel Audi drivers expect. GeoSpec coated rotors offer long-lasting corrosion protection while maintaining OE-level performance across changing weather and road conditions. OE-specific designs ensure accurate fitment and reliable installation for service technicians. Whether carving through back roads, navigating city traffic, or commuting year-round, DFC braking components help the Audi S3 maintain confidence, control, and performance mile after mile. For added convenience, DFC brake components for the Audi S3 are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors streamline inventory and allowing installers to complete service efficiently. DFC is proud to support the 2022 to 2026 Audi S3 with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for OE-level fit, performance, and reliability. If you missed this week's Must Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.